friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Savita and today's video is about how to write a wish using Zibu symbols. As we all know that Zibu symbols are very effective and powerful. So we will use these symbols to manifest our wish faster. And for this you need a paper and a pen. First I will show which symbols we will use. Okay. So the first symbol is symbol of blessings. Now blessing symbol will bless our wish. Next is symbol of patience. Now we need to have patience for our wish to get fulfilled, right? Next is symbol of hope, for remaining positive throughout the outcome of our wish and not doubting its process. Okay. Next is symbol of faith. Now having faith in the universe and in ourselves for manifesting our wish is important. Next symbol is effortless connection, so that we connect effortlessly with the universe and also we connect with our wish. Next is symbol of right action. Now after we write our wish, we also need to take the right action of fulfilling that wish. So this symbol will help us to move in the right direction and take the right steps to fulfill our wish. Next symbol is symbol of embracing the possibilities. Now this symbol will help us to embrace all the obstacles or any doubts which will come in our way for fulfilling our wish. And the last symbol is symbol of gratitude. Why gratitude? We need to thank the universe and everyone who will be involved in manifesting and fulfilling our wish. So this symbol. So these are the few symbols which we will use for manifesting. So what we will do is, we will take a paper like this and you will write your wish in the center, and these symbols which I showed now, you will draw like this around it. Okay, or you can first draw the symbols and then write your wish, or first write your wish and then draw these symbols. It is up to you, and you can write your wish in any language that you want. Okay, and if you are writing a wish related to money or love, then you can use the symbols related to money and love. I have already made a video on it. You can watch that at the end of this video. Okay. And if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section. And for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.